Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the control knob on a Whirlpool washing machine. You'll know that the control knob needs replacing on your machine if it's visibly damaged or if it no longer selects the function you're after. However, if it no longer selects the function you're after, it could also be the display PCB behind the knob. But replacing a control knob is much cheaper than replacing a display PCB, so always take a look at that first. Let's get started. To change your washing machine control knob, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a Torx T20 screwdriver. And you will also need a replacement washing machine control knob as well. So we'll include a link to where you can buy one for a Whirlpool appliance in the description below. Safety first, always make sure you switch off and unplug the appliance before carrying out any work. To replace the control knob on your Whirlpool washing machine, the first thing you need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws at the back using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the two screws are removed, you simply pull back on the top and then lift up. To start removing your control panel, you need to take out the two screws at the top using your Phillips screwdriver. Next, you'll need to remove the soap drawer by pulling it out as far as it'll go and then pushing down on the tab that helps to keep it in place. Next, remove the two screws at the front of the soap drawer housing, again using your Phillips screwdriver. Next, you'll need to remove the strengthening strut from the top of the appliance by undoing the two Torx T20 screws that hold it in place. Now, there's two clips holding the control panel in place, one here, as you can see, and one under the soap drawer dispenser housing. Simply gently lift up and away to release the control panel completely. Then lastly, to free the control panel completely, we need to remove this electrical connection, which is actually the communication cable which connects this display PCB to the main PCB at the bottom of the machine. To remove the display PCB and its housing from the control panel, you need to undo these 6 screws using your Phillips screwdriver. With the screws removed, you can now simply lift up the display PCB and housing. To remove the control knob, simply push in the 3 tabs around the inner part of the knob that holds it in place, whilst pulling on the knob from the front, just to give you a little movement, just to make it slightly easier. It may take time, be careful. Just keep working the tabs just to ensure that you're releasing them all. And then the knob will simply come out. To find the correct knob for your appliance, you're going to need the model number of your machine. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out this video here, which will give you all the information you need. Very easy to fit the new control knob to your control panel. Just push from underneath until those 3 tabs lock into place. Like so. You can see the 3 of them locked in. To fit the display PCB and housing, you need to ensure that the spindle, which has one curved side and one flat side, fits properly into the control knob, which obviously has the same shape. Just make sure that's in place. Then your PCB and housing just slots into position, and then you can refit the 6 screws. Now, to put it all back together, we need to pop the control panel into the frame of the appliance. First, remembering that the communication cable needs to be slipped into position, and then the 2 tabs slot into their holes in the cabinet here, making sure you get that click, like so. Arrange your detergent drawer so that it can be screwed into position. Next, to fit the support strut, slip it underneath the rear of the control panel, making sure the 2 tabs go in their slots like that, and then refit the screws. Then refit the 2 screws at the front of the soap dispenser drawer housing. Pop the soap drawer back into place, remembering to push down the tab at the back. Just ensure it closes properly. And lastly, you need to refit the top. Now the top has a sort of deep groove or lip at the front, which needs to be angled under the control panel. And slowly pushed down, and then you can refit the screws. So there we have it, one new control knob fitted to this Whirlpool washing machine. Hopefully that has solved the problem with your machine and it's back up and running once more. However, if it is not, as I said earlier in the video, it may well be that the display PCB needs to be changed. To find out how to do that, check out this video here that will tell you everything you need to know. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, step-by-step repair guides, money and energy saving tips, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.